Hi, this is my home video. We've got two different types of inequalities, and my first one is something like this. We've got 3x plus 1, that's the absolute value, is less than or equal to 10. And so if I have a less than or equal to, I know that this is going to be an AND problem, and I'm going to set it up like this. I'm going to sandwich the 3x plus 1 between these symbols here. The negative 10 over here and a positive 10 here. Like I said, this is one of the AND situations. So now I have two problems. I have this one to solve and I have this one to solve. So I've got negative 10 is less than or equal to 3x plus 1. And my other problem to work is 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to positive 10. And due to space, let's see here, let me see if I can squeeze this in here. Subtract 1, that gives us negative 11 over here. It's less than or equal to 3x. And when I divide by 3, I get negative 11 thirds is less than or equal to x. And over here, if I subtract 1 from both sides, I get 3x is less than or equal to 9 and divide by 3, and I get x is less than or equal to 3. So, got an AND situation, and so I'm going to graph it, and I know I want my overlap to be my solution. So back to the child's whiteboard. Here's my graph. Here's 0. Here's 3. Let's say this is negative 11 thirds down here. So my negative 11 thirds is less than all of my numbers. So I'm going to have a closed circle here, and it's going to be going this way. And x is less than or equal to 3, so I have a circle on the 3 going this way. My solution is going to be this overlap right here. So, because of the equal signs, there are going to be brackets. Let's see if I can put it right down here. Here's my bracket with my negative 11 thirds on one side, and it goes up to the positive 3. Close bracket on that. So that's the AND situation. When I have it up here at the beginning with the less than sign, that's the one that I sandwich it between the negative and the positive, and I make sure I put the AND in there, and my solution is the overlap. Now, just one moment, we'll do the other kind. So now it's our next situation. We have a greater than. When we do the greater than, we still split it up into two problems, except now it's an OR. Just like before, the inequality sign is reversed, and the sign on the number, we have the positive and the negative again. And so, we've got the OR. So we solve each of these. So we get 2x is greater than 4, divide by 2. X is greater than 2. Or, solve this one. 2x is less than negative 6. X is less than negative 3. So this is an OR problem. So on our graph, there's 0, here's negative 3, here's positive 2. We want the numbers that are greater than 2. It's that way. Or less than negative 3. That's that way. And our solution is this and this or this. Anything in either of those is true. So our solution goes from negative infinity up to 3, negative 3. or from 2 up to positive infinity. Using the parentheses on the infinity signs. Since it's not equal to, I'm using a parenthesis. This is my or symbol. Looks like a U. And so if it's the greater than, I use the or. Solve it. My solution is going to be anywhere that the graph is drawn. I've written it out here. So that's it. That's for my home movie for today. And thanks.